In a big kingdom, there was a very wise minister named William. The king trusted him the most and never made an important decision without asking him first. But many people in the court were jealous of William and wanted to make fun of him. One day during a royal meeting, the king said, "William, you are very smart, but your son is foolish." Surprised, the minister asked, "Your Majesty, why do you say that?" The king smiled and replied, "Every morning when I go to the market, I see your son. I ask him, which is more valuable, gold or silver? And every time he answers, silver." The whole court laughed. The minister felt embarrassed but didn't say anything. He went straight home and asked his son, "Tell me, which metal is more valuable, gold or silver?" "Gold, of course, father," the boy answered quickly. The minister frowned. "Then why do you tell the king that silver is more valuable?" "Today, the whole court laughed at me because of you." The boy smiled and said, "Father, every morning, the king places 2 coins in front of me, 1 gold and 1 silver. He tells me to take the more valuable one. I always pick the silver coin, and the king laughs before walking away." The minister was confused. "But why do you pick the silver coin if you know gold is more valuable?" Without saying a word, the boy took his father to his room and opened a small box. Inside, there was a big pile of silver coins. "These are the coins the king has given me," the boy explained. "If I take the gold coin, the game will end. The king will stop asking me the question, and I will stop getting a silver coin every day. But as long as I keep choosing silver, the king enjoys his little joke, and I keep getting more coins. 1 gold coin is valuable, but many silver coins are worth much more." The minister smiled and patted his son's shoulder. His son was not foolish, he was very smart. From that day on, whenever someone called his son foolish, the minister just smiled, knowing that true intelligence is about making smart choices, not just giving the right answers. People may call you foolish, but if you know what you're doing is right, don't worry about them. Stay patient, be smart, and success will come your way.